What's up guys, Matt Stefanina here, and I got a brand new tutorial for you today. As soon as Cardi B's album dropped, I got so many DMs. When are you gonna do another Cardi B dance? Because I did Bodak Yellow, I did Bartier Cardi. Boom, drip, drippin', drippity drop, whatever it's called, featuring Migos. This song is hot. Actually, the whole album is hot. And this is like an intermediate level. It's not super intricate, but there are a couple hard parts. Take your time with it. Remember, I teach these in LA in an hour class. So if you're like, oh, I watched it one time, 15 minutes, and I can't do it yet, you gotta practice a little more than 15 minutes. And of course, if you're not following me on Instagram or following Epic Dance videos, make sure you go check them out. Subscribe to the channel. We're releasing all kinds of tutorials, not just hip hop dance and not just choreography. There's all kinds of technique. We got some more twerking backed by request, break dancing, popping, waving, all kinds of dope stuff. So make sure you guys subscribe, turn on notifications, hit the bell below, and let's get to this. Cardi B, drip, drip. How would Cardi B say drip?
Drip.
Drip. All right, y'all, so here we go. We're gonna start this routine on 5, and all your feet are gonna do is go right and kick up. And this is like, don't make this kick like cool, like don't add any swag to it. Just keep your back stiff and go forward with your leg and then back. It's like you're like one of those like toy mechanical soldier things. So when we add the arms to it, arms are gonna go cross, palms facing towards my body, and they're gonna turn into fists, and I'm gonna go down to the diagonal here, and I'm gonna reach towards my toe, and then I'm gonna pick my hand up when I come up. So let's put it together slowly. Legs and arms. It might feel a little bit like this, but don't worry, we're gonna practice together. You go 3, 4, you're hitting 5 and 6, and push and And she says like I'm on stilts. So stilts are, you know, the things you stand on that make you really tall. I don't know why this makes me think of stilts, because like you got long legs or something, but that'll help you remember that step. So it's 3, 4, you're going 5 and 6 and push. Then from here, you're gonna hit down on the base with this hand. Boom, it's gonna make you hit back to go point, point, up. And I'm just stepping with my feet as I'm pointing at them. So from this hit, you wanna boom, really crack that hard. Boom, release this back, left leg comes with it. Step, step, up, then right away you're gonna go down, out, knees are going in, out, your head goes with it. Down, to go boom, boom. On that second one, you're gonna lean to the right to go right, left, and that's gonna bring you back into a body wave. So your timing from the top is 3, 4, you hit 5 and 6 and 7, up, boom, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. From here, really easy, you're just gonna push this left hip back, boom, and then you can kind of use your hand to push it. Then you're gonna chill for a sec, come back up. Then the second time you're gonna do it again, but you're gonna crack with your elbows, and it's gonna make you bounce off of this and jump out to the right a little bit. Then from here, easy again, just a groove, you're gonna hit A, and you can style this however you want. So it's like boom, and A. I kind of think of taking my left hip up. If you want to make it like all about the booty, you can really like twist it. If you just want to kind of bounce it, a little like dance hall sort of vibe, that's cool too. A. Then from here, you're gonna push and step across. So we're gonna take our weight onto our left foot. You're gonna go behind with the right. You're gonna go right, left, right. And you're gonna turn sideways. So it's basically just like a weird pas de bourrée. From here, what my hands are gonna do is right hand's gonna come on top of my left. I'm gonna twist them around. If you guys do my tutorials, you see me do this step before, and then you're gonna come to your ear like you're listening. She says something about listen for the sound. So you're like really trying to hear it. So the hands, one more, it's right hand on top, cool, twisty move, A, and then zoop, right hand to your ear. So when we put that with the feet, you hit da, da, it goes step, step, And notice how I'm looking to the side so that my ear is to the front like I'm listening, because from here, now you're gonna look to the front, you're gonna go boom, and boom, You can kind of bounce off of that second one too. So you want to do this really clean, so it's like, what? You can hear it, and then the bass comes back in and you want to catch it. Boom, and boom, One more step, and then I promise we're gonna go back slowly from the top. This is really easy. You're just gonna go down, down, and then you have a freestyle for 2 more. So in total, you're going da, 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 And I personally like to go left, right on this sort of thing. If you like to go right, left, it doesn't matter. It's just the vibe is kind of like your own freestyle sort of situation with it. So boom, from here, I'm pulling down on the first two, and then the next two, whatever you want. You could hit hips, you could hit clap, clap, you could snake your head, anything you want. All right, cool, let's go back from the top, because I know that was a lot of steps, and let's just get that nice and slow so you guys got the steps together, and then we'll go on. You go 3, 4, you hit 5, and hit, and stilts, yeah. 1, chill, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, boom, boom. 7, 8, you bounce 1, 2, you pull 3, 4, you hit 5, 6, you go 7 and 8. Listen, 1, 2, you hit 3, 4, you go 5, 6, and Remember those last two are freestyle, so whatever you want to do on them. Cool, all right. If you got that, great, let's go on. If not, it's the video. You can rewind, keep practicing until you got that. But remember, the challenge is how fast can you pick it up? That's what's going to make you quicker at learning choreography. So if you feel like, okay, I think I kind of got it, good, push yourself. Let's learn the end and see how you have it when we get there. So last thing we did was 5, 6, whatever you want on 7, 8. From here, stepping out on your right, you're going to go 1. You're going to come to your head. She says, you think, then you're going to push this away, boom, and just slide that right foot back. And then from here, when I slide this back, it's really important that my hands go down. Boom, because when you step back on your right foot, you're gonna go whip and here. So my feet push back on the right, left, and then I just step out to the center. Then my knees are gonna go in, out. I'm gonna listen again to the right, in, listen to the left. I'm gonna punch down with that right hand, and I'm gonna go whoop, bring it in, and now I'm gonna hit to the front. And if you learned my Mi Gente combo last year, you know that you can kick your leg as high as you want on this step. It's the same sort of vibe. You're like prepping it here. And then I just want from this up, this lifted position, to really see all the energy go whoo, down and that leg up. I'm not flexible and I wore skinny jeans, so I'm like double messed up today. There's no hope for me, but there is hope for you, so kick that leg. All right, so let's do that last part again. You did feel it out, freestyle this part. You did 1 and push, hit and chill, and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. You go 1. Nice, last part, we just got like some chill moments here. She's gonna say drip, drip, came through dripping, it's all this. So whoop, kick, you land it here. You're gonna go came through dripping. So my body, I'm kind of going A. I'm like leaning forward into both of those. In my hand, it's like you have like, I don't know, water in your hand. You just like drip, drip. It's like making it rain, but with actual water instead of money. I don't know if that makes sense. You're going high, low. Then he's gonna say drip, drip. You're gonna touch your right hand to your left foot. Then you're gonna go me to your chest. And he's gonna say came through dripping again. Actually, I think Cardi's still saying it at this point. You're gonna go came through dripping. So body roll sort of vibe again. Right hand is coming down your chest and your stomach. And if you wanna like really freak this, go ahead. If you wanna just keep it a basic body roll, that's cool too. Then you're gonna hit drip, drip again. We're gonna go in with our elbows, or actually out with our elbows, in with our knees. Click, click, and it's gonna turn you, so there's a little hop. Click, click, now I'm on this diagonal, and I'm gonna go came through dripping. And same deal, if you wanna like really freak that, go ahead, play with it. It's just like a fun groove. Last part, this part a little tricky, so get ready. You're gonna go drip. You're gonna say, hold up 1 second. Then he says, diamonds on my wrist. You're going diamonds on. So stepping back on my left, I'm going high and low. Then I'm gonna pull my elbows up and go shoom with my knee. Then last part, I step in. Then I'm gonna prep this up. And then however you wanna, boom, hit that last base is up to you. Now, one little detail with this that I would really like you to add is your head. So when you go here, diamonds on, you're gonna go my wrist. Try to look down there. They dripping, you bring your head back up on that. And then boom, then you crack that. And then you're done, just freestyle. You guys killed it. This one is Super fun, but remember there are some tricky parts, like that ending is a little fast. So we're gonna go back slowly from the very, very, very top. Remember, push yourself. If you feel though like you have it like pretty close, just go for it from the top, yeah? Nobody's watching you unless, I mean, maybe like your mama, your sister, somebody's in the room and they're gonna make fun of you. But I'm not gonna make fun of you because I can't even see you. So you might as well just go for it and see what happens. Let's take it from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. You go 5 and 6 and push and up. Boom. 2, 3 and 8 and 5. Geek, geek. 7, 8. You go 1, 2. You hit 3, 4. You go A, 7 and listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull it down. 6. Yeah. You go 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Wah. Kick. Came through dripping. Drip, drip. Came through dripping. Drip, drip. Came through dripping. Drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they dripping. Wah. All right, so I already know what might have happened is you were doing pretty good first half, and then you got somewhere around here or maybe here, and you were like, okay, I need to go over that part. So do that. There's nothing wrong with that. That's what I do in normal class too, is I watch the class, I see what parts they're struggling with, and we clean it up a little bit. So take your time. I'm gonna go over that part with you one more time because I know that's probably where we got hung up, if anything. It's from here after the freestyle, the 2 counts of freestyle here. You're going point and push. You're going hit and and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Kick. Came through dripping. Feel how this timing, it's not like even counts. It's came through stop. Quick stop. Came through quick stop. Came through he says drip. Diamonds on my wrist. Boom. All right. Now you got it. I know you got it. And we're gonna speed it up all the way to tempo so that you guys can get a feel for it, yeah? And then you can go try with the music. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Boom. 2, 3 and 4 and 5. King, king. 7, 8. Boom. And hit. And a dee 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit 5, 6, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and hit down. Shoot. 1, 8. Came through dripping. Drip, drip. Chill and chill. Drip, drip. Came through dripping. Stop. Da da da. Click. Hop. Boom. Freestyle. Yeah. Came through dripping. Yeah. Came through dripping. These are the kind of moves that look good on a song like this. You just gotta twerk a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Woo.